In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple ID not letting me add payment method. If you've encountered the frustrating issue of your Apple ID not letting you add a payment method, it's essential to understand that this typically stems from a few common problems. These can include incorrect billing information, an unpaid balance, regional settings that do not align, or even restrictions on your account. Understanding these issues is the first step toward a resolution. To begin, open Settings on your iPhone or iPad. This is the app that looks like a gear icon, typically found on your home screen. Tapping it will bring you into the Settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your device. It's crucial to start here because all payment settings are located within the Settings app. You're now on the right path to resolving the payment method issue. Next, tap your name at the top of the Settings menu. This action takes you to your Apple ID profile, which contains vital information about your account. Here, you can see your Apple ID details, including your associated payment methods and subscriptions. Accessing this part of your account is important because you need to ensure that all your information is correct and up to date. From there, select Payment and Shipping. This section will display your current payment methods and allow you to make any necessary changes. Once you enter this area, you will see options related to your billing information. It's essential to review this section carefully, as any discrepancies here can prevent you from adding new payment methods. Now, tap Add Payment Method and enter your card details again. Make sure your name, billing address, card number, and expiration date exactly match the information on file with your bank. This accuracy is crucial because any mismatch can lead to a rejection when trying to add your payment method. By ensuring this information is correct, you significantly increase your chances of successfully adding the payment method. If that doesn't work, check the following. This is the point where you may need to dig a little deeper into potential issues that could be causing the problem. It's common for users to overlook some details that can affect payment methods. So, let's explore a few other avenues to troubleshoot this issue. First, make sure your card type is supported in your country. Apple accepts various payment forms including credit cards, debit cards, e-wallets, and carrier billing from supported providers. Checking this is important because not all banks or card types may be recognized by Apple in your region. If the card you are trying to add is not supported, you will need to find an alternative method. Next, verify that your Apple ID country or region matches the country where your card was issued. Apple may reject payment methods from a different region, so this step is crucial. If there's a mismatch, you might need to update your Apple ID settings to reflect your current location or the location of your card. This alignment is key to ensuring a smooth transaction process. Check for unpaid purchases or subscriptions. Apple may block new payment methods until outstanding charges are paid. This can happen if there are pending charges that need to be cleared first. Community reports suggest that resolving any billing problems often fixes the issue, so it's wise to check your purchase history and clear any unpaid balances. Finally, contact your bank to confirm that online purchases are enabled and that the bank is not blocking Apple transactions. Some banks require extra verification through their app or by text message. This step is essential because even if everything seems correct on your Apple ID, your bank settings can impact your ability to use your card for online transactions. If you recently received a replacement card, make sure the card has been activated before adding it to your Apple ID. This is a simple but often overlooked step. An unactivated card will not process transactions, so confirming this can save you frustration later. You can also manage your payment methods online through Apple's account website. This provides an alternative route to make changes if you're having issues with your device. Simply visit account.apple.com to review and update your payment information. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to resolving the issue with your Apple ID and adding a payment method successfully.